G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel. We are renovating the brand new car wash and I want to give you guys an update. I apologize, I really do. I'm very, very sorry. I did quite a lot of work on it, but I didn't film it. I didn't document it. I just wanted to get it done. Filming takes effort, it gets in the way of getting it done. And I was just excited. So, and you guys have seen it all before, my other ones. So let me show you what I've done. I mean, it's not a huge deal. It's not a whole lot. It's not like I'm almost done, but let me show you what I've done anyway. Let's start with the roof. So let's go ahead and climb up all the way up there. Let's pop our little head up out here. And let's look at the new hoses I ran. So here we go, new hoses, triple foam, tie cleaner, through the PVC pipe in. And then here we have triple foam going down, and I'll show you on the other side. Tire cleaner, manifolds are in here. I've put these buckets just like the Fontana car wash, except this time I got white buckets, so I didn't have to spray paint them. Nice little suggestion by someone. So the manifolds are out of the sun, they're protected, even though, I mean, the sun ain't gonna do too much damage to these, but it's kind of hot right now. But why not keep it out of the sun? And then it goes all the way up to the end. And then this is the soap brush. So this is the old original hose. I'm gonna run new hose on Monday. That's the manifold there. Probably use that. But yeah, there we go. All brand new hoses ran. I got some other PVC pipe I can kind of just cut and lay on top of there. Not too fussed about it. Wire braided hose in the sun's gonna last a heck of a long time. And then basically the same thing up here. All those black hoses are spot 3, so I'll probably run new ones of that too. So there it is. Obviously I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to push all the pipes together once I'm done. But that's pretty much it. These are the high pressure hoses, so I'm going to have to get new ones of that. You can see it's kind of brittle, but they've been there for years. So that's what the roof looks like. That's the update. Let's go back down. So we're down, and look what came in today. Look what came in today. Air dryers, 6 of them. 246. What is that? What? Tire cleaner is already hooked up. It's already working. This is the air coming in from the compressor. Obviously bay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All hosed up, all wired in. Ready to go. Like literally, it can come out in the bays now. So there we go, tire cleaner is done. I just got that covering the tank because I don't want debris going in. Usually it comes with a little plastic cover, but it doesn't have it. And then all my supplies came in. Guns, high pressure guns, wall mounts, triple foam gun. Got some vacuum stuff in there. And new wall mounts. Triple foam hose, and it's looking obviously very messy in here, like I can barely move, because that's true, but let me show you the reason why. So this is the original soap brush system, this whole big thing right here in the middle of the room. It was here if you recognized it from my previous videos, but we moved it. This is the triple foam, this is the soap brush. So that is replacing this whole thing. It's all going to be brand new. These are my triple foam tanks that's going to be fed up to here. Obviously just covered in. I don't want debris going in the tanks because it's going to, flow jet's going to suck up the debris and it's going to get stuck in the solenoids and it's going to leave it open and leaking. So we're avoiding that. But that's it. We did all that work. Might not look like much, but it's kind of like long days of work, which is fun for me. I love it. I enjoy it. So this is the motor room coming along very nicely. Monday, we're going to take this out, connect up the soap brush. So we'll probably have the soap brush down for maybe 6 hours. We'll probably shut the car wash down then. But it's kind of inevitable to shut down the car wash for a little bit because we have to disconnect the soap brush. We have to disconnect the high pressure when we fix the pumps and everything. So it will be closed down for a little bit, but that's okay. And then in terms of out in the bays, I just put one up to just test it out. Sometimes the center block is hollow, so I just tested it out, but that's pretty good. So up here is my tire cleaner with my existing steel poles coming down, And then these are my triple foam, which is what I made. So you saw the manifold on top, you saw the other hose from the manifold going down to the top there. You got an L bracket, which I just got, and connects there, and then the hose goes on there, and that's it. Triple foam tire cleaner, air dryer, high pressure, soap brush. And then all my vacuums are fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 working vacuums. They're super powerful, very impressed with them. Basically the reason they weren't working was because the gaskets around the door were all messed up. So I just switched them out, put new ones in. Door is sealed tight and it's super powerful. So I'm very happy about that. And then Edwin has been working on this, but obviously it's not finished. We put a big thick steel beam plate in front of the build changes. So we still have to pack it with concrete and weld another bit here so no one can wrap a chain through here, and that's going to be all sealed. That's going to be welded to this, that's welded to that, and it's all concreted and welded in. So that's very, very secure, and I'm very confident that it's not going to get broken into. And then once I paint it, it's all going to be beautiful and nice. You probably won't even see it. He's there working. There he is. He's welding these on so no one can take them off, obviously. So that's very, very nice. Now this is the finished result minus the faceplate. Nice, smooth edges, concreted in, no gaps. Obviously it's gonna look nice once it's painted, but that's it. Ooh, that's looking ready. Got the 10 function rotary switch in, stickers are coming. Gotta cover that hole. It's coming. But yeah, look at that. Welded, concreted. There you have it. And then you know how we do it. We put on these bad boys, because the 2 locks for the bill acceptor are right here. I don't want no one drilling them out. So this lock is covering it, all welded. It's pretty much just Fort Knox. There's a 0 chance of, well, it's never 0 chance, but I'm confident. If they get in, they deserve it. Good for them. What the hell?
Hey, give me a heads up.
You don't need a heads up. What for? You want to check your hair?
Oh, I gotta look cute. Gotta look cute for my followers.
Very nice. So
Like
that's
that?
what it's going to look like.
Any professional welders out there?
I don't know if there's any professional welders
can
watching,
tell
but
me.
I'm sure there's a bunch of haters watching.
Yeah, haters are gonna hate.
Yeah. Any trolls and haters out there,
I love you guys.
comment you hate.
Yeah.
Hate only.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. I mean, like I said, just doing the work, getting the work done. Didn't really want to focus on the filming, pulling out the camera. It's just kind of annoying sometimes. I just want to get it done when I'm in the zone, sweating, it's hot. The last thing on my mind is filming it. So as you can see, hands are dirty, filthy. Getting it done, guys. Probably another 4 weeks and this thing will be done. We're probably going to paint it soon, and painting is close to the end. So really not that bad. Working in, putting in the hours. Car wash is coming along, and it's going to be a beauty. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video, give you an update of what I've done so far. Car wash is coming along. Got some new vending decals, new coin mechanism, so the vending is good. I got one of the build changes on the other side working. You know, it's all good. I'm excited for it. So thanks for watching, guys. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. I'll keep you updated as much as possible.